My lord, yesterday, my lord, the petitioner was called, my lord, by the joint director, and a few documents were taken. His test reports were taken. We have submitted yesterday.
You have?
We have submitted with him, my lord, yesterday. He called us that you come to the office and submit your test reports. And we have submitted all the test reports. My lord, what happened? For this interview, my lord, department conducted one test, my lord. That was the first test. I'll give the dates, my lord. Thereafter, I was not selected. Then I went to private agency and I conducted two tests. There it was above 50%. Then again, there were many complaints from many candidates, and then government conducted another test, my lord. After that test also, my lord, what I did, my lord, I went and I conducted the test directly at GMCH, Bera test. There it was 57.1%, my lord. So that is my case, my lord, that after the test conducted by the department at the GMCH, I conducted the test at GMCH where it is 57.1%. Then how come few days earlier when they conduct the test, how come it's 23%? And I am a person with benchmark disability. There is no question about it. I have all the documents, and my case, my lord, is different from all the other cases they have mentioned about the series, my lord. Series is different, my lord. They are relying only on the ID card. Their pleadings, I have checked, their pleadings is that since an ID card is issued, as such, no further test should be there. That is not my case. My case is that if department wants to conduct a test, they may conduct it, but the test conducted by them is wrong. Now, my lord, a Bera test, my lord, takes 40 minutes, my lord. And very surprisingly, what has come out, my lord, in one day, my lord, with one Bera machine at GMCS, the department has conducted 120 tests.
Is it possible?
Not possible, my lord. One Bera test takes 40 minutes, and they have conducted for Bera test for 120 candidates in the same day with one machine at GMCS, my lord, and all wrong data they have provided, my lord. My lord, these are the candidates, my lord, with benchmark disabilities, my lord. They have few quotas, my lord, where they can get the jobs, my lord. And my lord, if tests are done in this manner, my lord, it is very illegal, my lord. And my lord, my case is, my lord, is open and shut case, my lord. Government conducts the test on.
Wait, first, let us understand what the department will have to say, Mr.
My lord, yesterday I submitted the documents.
Upamanyu, we had requested.
I got the, my lord.
You are for help.
No, my lord. Yes, my lord, we have got the report from the joint
This
director.
is happening, this is coming up time and again.
Yes, sir. My lord, in every selection now probably this is done. But so far as the, my lord,
There is no quarrel that you cannot do it.
Fine.
Or you may have your own rules to do it.
Fine.
What we want to know is, what is the basis of reliance on your examination and discarding?
That's why, my lord, Lordship will see, my lord, the instruction that has come up.
Ah,
So far as, my lord, this ID card and all which has been issued to the petitioner recently, my lord, which is at page 43 of the writ petition. That was issued, my lord, without any examination. That is what the instruction says. They simply relied upon this certificate which was issued in 2014 at page 44.
which was issued?
Page 44, Lordship, may kindly see.
44.
Yes. The petitioner got this disability certificate sometimes in, my lord, December 2014, page 44.
Yes.
Now, my lord, again, my lord, the petitioner appeared before the authority sometimes in February 2021. There, my lord, the digitalized certificate and all were issued. Without any examination, only, my lord, converting this particular certificate of 2014 in the digitalized manner, my lord. That is what the instruction says. Lordship may kindly have a look at the short instruction, my lord. Here I would like to file the affidavit because this has come up that without examination for the second time when it was issued, only, my lord, it was digitalized, my lord. Instead of, my lord, going for a fresh examination 2021. That ID was issued to the petitioner.
Bring it on record.
My lord, the first page of the instruction, my lord. Second page says, my lord, further on so and so applied for digitalized PWD application based on the office record and manual certificate, UDIN card and disability certificate.
No. You've got an UDID card and disability certificate.
Yes, based on the 2014 certificate, not after due examination again in 2021 or so.
No, this certificate
My lord.
is applied for digitization of PWD application.
Yes.
What is the meaning of that?
My lord, now it is online, my lord. In a particular format, it is given.
What?
Earlier, it is handwritten.
Certificates.
Yes, page 44, Lordship will see, and page 43 will be evident.
So these were the earlier certificates.
44 is the earlier one of 2014.
Uh,
43 is the one which has been issued in 2021, February. Just more than, my lord.
So you want to say that 43 was issued based on 44
Yes.
and 44 was issued?
That record they don't have, my lord. That whether examined, not examined, whatever was there is not there as on date. My lord, within 1 day they could not furnish everything.
All right.
So I will file the affidavit, my lord, bringing this into record.
We will have to
No,
make
my lord,
root of
may I
the
make a
matter.
submission, my lord? My lord, advertisement was published on 25/3/2022. Subsequent to that advertisement, I have applied. My lord, the results were declared on 3/5/2023. I was not selected, my lord. Then, my lord, I went for private test on 25/5/2023. Then again, I went for a private test on 24/6/2023. Then there were a complaint from many candidates and government went for a retest on 3/8/2000. No, government went for a retest on. No, আমি হে কৰিছো.
No, let him bring it on record. Let him file the affidavit
My lord,
first.
My lord, I have the certificate from the GMC.
We want to find out that what the department has to say with regard to your unique disability IDs and other documents issued. Otherwise, there is no meaning of issuing a unique ID. The unique ID is issued by a government authority.
Lordship, this case, my lord, already they are on the verge of making the appointments, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to page 64.
Meanwhile, you have now submitted your documents to the medical authorities.
No, joint director.
No,
Yes.
You are submitting yourself for a further examination.
Not submitting, my lord. They have filed an affidavit before this court
Hmm.
that I may be required for re-examination. Then my submission was that, my lord, I have all the certificates, all the test reports. Now, whether I have to go for a test, retest or not, that lordship will decide. My only prayer was, if lordship is sending me for a retest, then this writ petition may be kept pending and I may be sent for retest. Otherwise also, my lord, after their test, my lord, I have conducted the test at the same place with the same machine which they have used to test me, that is at page 64.
When is a retest scheduled?
Not scheduled.
Not scheduled.
They are asking only for this
No, in
petitioner
the
special.
affidavit, we have stated that if required, he can go for further, my lord, verification.
Have you called them?
No, since it is pending for this honorable court, if honorable court directs, my lord, then of course we can.
We are not directing unless you want it.
No, my lord,
Yes,
that
but-
examination pursuant to the selection, it was already conducted. He was found to be 23%.
Ah.
Now he's challenging that, my lord, on the ground that subsequently he went to GMCS and this time he has been found to be 57%. That is his, my lord, ground for challenging it, to prove that, my lord, we were
Then
wrong
you
in the.
conduct- Then you conduct a retest.
Sir, my lord,
My
let
lord.
me file the affidavit first, my lord, at least thereafter.
My lord, this thing is not yet coming up for consideration before the court. There is one order of your lordship also, order dated this one. Lordship, kindly peruse order dated 4/8/2025. 4/8/2025, my lord. That was your lordship's order only. 4/8/25.
All orders are our orders only.
Yes,
What difference does it make?
yes, my lord.
All orders are orders.
Yes,
of the
fine.
court.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
No,
It
kindly see, my lord.
got adjourned.
No, my lord. 4/8/2025.
When, huh?
4/8/2025.
4/8.
4/8, my lord. Mr. So-and-so learned standing counsel health will produce the relevant medical records of the petitioner undertaken by the medical board constituted to examine the percentage of disability of the writ petitioner. The medical record must reveal as to how the test was conducted and percentage of disability shown by the medical board to be at 23% in respect of the writ petitioner was arrived at. These records have been called for in view of the fact that no affidavit by the health department has been filed in view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that on a medical examination before the ENT department of the Guwahati Medical College subsequently undertaken by the writ petitioner, the percentage of disability in so far as the petitioner